Okay, so it's a little messy, but here it is. See, it's got an upper bunk, which is super cool because this is like a bed. Somebody can sleep up here. Up top, this thing slides out, comes out this way. And then over here you got like a full refrigerator, so the gas kind. So you could do the gas to keep the stuff cool. This has got a little oven thing down underneath here. It's got 1 seat, 2 seats, 3 seats for driving. Got a couple surfboards in here. These are long boards. Take up a lot of space, see? So you gotta get these on the roof. That old AC unit was kind of in the way, so that thing got taken out. And then I just put this in just yesterday. Something. It goes like this. Pretty cool. And then over here, it's got a full shower. And then a chalkboard thing here. This is my girlfriend's board here. She likes to ride this big one. And then we got some stuff, a little storage on the racks up top. There's a sink down here. This is cool. So when you get out of the water, you've got a little shower thing. You just get your feet. It's pretty cool. So that's it, you know. We're having a lot of fun with it. And, you know, come out to California, all right? We'll see you around, okay? See you. Bye.